full Jeep. I got a whole bunch of stuff in here we gotta go through. Just a lot of stuff to process and go through. And we got the two GameStop dumpster bags. And we got a flat screen TV. We got a freaking cash register, guys. I'm just gonna take that like that. With money sticking out. Can you see that coin coming from that register? This could be full of cash. I just don't know, guys. There could be $100 bills in there. A coin sticking out. Oh my goodness, it's amazing. Okay guys, I plugged in the cash register we found with the dime sticking out. See if there's any money in here. We're going to crack this open one way or the other. We're going to see if there's any cash in here. This is jarred here a little bit. Ugh. I don't know why, but we got a mount here. I want to see if we can open this up somehow. 128. Enter. Tax. E1. Clear. 111. It's not opening. Nope. Tax. Nope. I don't think it's gonna open, guys. 300. Okay, clear. I don't think it's gonna open. See if I can pull that dime. Got it. Oh, that was in there tight, guys. That was in there tight. Hold on. Let's take a look at it. Okay, guys, I got the cash register going. It's plugged in. I'm going to try to do something. Oh, shoot. Okay. I don't know what button to hit. Clerk? Oh, shoot. Subtotal. No. Oh, shoot. How about this one? Whoa! Oh, whoa! What was that? I'm just like, wow. This is the craziest thing I ever found. And there's freaking money on it, in it, and silver, and freaking coins. Guys, there's another 50-cent piece. Here's another one. I saw something down in underneath this thing, so I think there's stuff underneath. If I could pull this drawer out and see what's in there, that's what I'm going to work on now. Maybe there's couple $100 bills in there. We don't know. It could be anything in there. Maybe just a few cents or a few coins. I want to find out. I see a bill in there, guys. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's a $100 bill, $100 bill, a $20 bill, or a $50 bill. I'm trying to find out how to get this thing open. I got it open, guys. I didn't look in yet. Okay, let's. Oh, shoot. Oh, there's a whole bunch of money in here. Are you kidding me, guys? Oh, that looks like a $100 bill. Is that a 50 or 100? Looks like another $2 bill. I don't know what that other bill is. I see a whole row of coins. I see coins all over, guys. I see a card in there.
Shut up and sit down.
I'm gonna try to dump all this stuff out. Hold on, guys. I didn't want to do this live, so... Okay. Oh, 220s. Are you kidding me? How awesome. Guys, how awesome is this? Oh, man. I am so thankful. I did pull it out of the trash. And... of course, these screws weren't in there. I can't believe it, guys. I must have got $50 here in register money. Unbelievable. A whole stack of nickels. Are you kidding me, guys? Look at this. $2 in nickels. It's got to be $50 here at least. I don't even know what's on the gift cards. Here's another $2 bill, guys. What? There's 2, 4, 6. There's $8 right there. Here's $10 with the $2 in nickels. Here's 40. That's 50. We got a few dollars right in here. A few dollars right there. We got some silver coins. Oh, jackpot hit, guys. This is the jackpot. You freaking kidding me? New photo gonna take here. Alright, let me get this back in. Okay, guys, I wanted to show you everything that was in there except some of the chump change. I got a whole stack of cards. This piece of grass and stuff. A whole stack of cards here, guys. Gift cards with amounts on them. I had to cut the video a little bit short because I don't want you to see what's on the card exactly, its address and place and stuff like that, because, you know, this, I pulled this out of the trash, and let's be honest, I kind of need a little coin. So the first thing I wanted to show you guys was the $2 bills. That's 1, 2, there's 4 $2 bills. These are from 78 or 76, I'm not sure. And these are from 2003. So that's that. Right there, we have $8. Add another $2 of nickels, which there could be a Civil War nickel in here. There's $2, that's $10. Okay, then you get the 240s that were in the draw. The 220s, I mean 240s. You get the 220s that were in the draw. That's $50 right there. Okay. Then you add up these. These are $1 each. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. $4 right here. And we got another $5 here. Another 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, even though there's more than $10 in change, more change than $10. That's $60, guys, right there. On top of that, we got 2 silver quarters, 1961, and I believe in 1939 or 29. I'm not sure. I have to look at that with the magnified glass, but I think it's a 39. So 2 silver quarters. Awesome, guys. Smash that like button. This is awesomeness. It's for the channel, you know what I mean? That's all. That's all it is. Some little bit of gas money and stuff. So, plus another 100 plus in these cards. Now what I really want to show you guys, there's some error pennies here. There's a 1970, here it is, 1970, turn it over, 1970 head again, turn it over, Lincoln's head is on the other side. I think that's Lincoln, yeah, that's Lincoln, right? Turn it over this way, Lincoln's head is on that side. Both sides are stamped with 1970. It's a two-face penny from the 70s. There, flip it over again. There, flip it out. I'm trying to prove. There's a head. Over here, there's a head. Doesn't matter which way I toss this, it's always going to be heads. And it's a penny. Who would go through all that trouble with a penny? You know, I mean, a silver dollar or something like that, that's what you would do that for, to win money or whatever. Not with a penny. Okay, we have a few other pennies over here that are too fine to see in your magnifying glass. So who knows the true value of everything here, guys? I looked up online that, I think in the 70s, this penny sold for $3,000. Now we're going into the 20s. I don't know how much this penny could be worth, guys. Maybe 10,000, maybe 100,000. I don't know. Maybe nothing. I have no idea. But I'm going to try to look into this. I know it's going to take me time to find out what exactly this is, but it's a double-headed penny, man. That's pretty cool. It's kind of red. No, it's kind of, yeah, it's kind of red. A little brown. And these pennies as well that have errors on them. So, pretty cool. The silver quarters. We got a stack of nickels that could have errors, or a Civil War nickel. And that's going to wrap up this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Smash the like button. And see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for the next video.